Hey guys, hey, happy vlogmas guys. I am so happy. I will be doing an unboxing today, and guess who it's from? My girl Frugal. All right guys, we are going to open up this box together. I have no idea what's in the box, so stay tuned to your girl Resume. We're about to open up the box. Yay! Okay guys, so this is the package, the box that I received from Frugal Mama. This mug is big and it's kind of heavy too. So we're about to open it up. I'm so excited guys. Okay guys, so we are going to open it up. How we gonna do it? You gotta keep it this way. So
just open up the jar.
Okay. How cute.
Oh, wow.
Yes. I need one of these too. You gotta watch how you open it. Okay, you know the name's not showing. This is what I got, y'all. Oh my God, look at this. Yes. Yes. Let me see. Oh my God, this is a good one too. This is so nice. Look. Hamilton Beach. It's nice. Let's see. Two-way programming. Two-way programmable coffee maker. So this is what I got from my girl Frugal Mama. This is awesome. And no, you can't use it. Okay guys, I am super excited because you know I'm always going to Starbucks to get coffee and everything. And now I can make my own little coffee. That is very, my time out, huh? I am so excited. Thank you so much, sis. I really, really appreciate it. I'm definitely going to be using it every day. And he going to be trying to use it too because he drink coffee too. But I work from home, so I'll be using it every day. And it's programmable. So that is awesome. I can program it. Hopefully I can program it like in the morning time so it can automatically start making coffee in the morning. But anyway, guys, I was so excited. Thank you so much, sis. Much love, much love. All right, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you, Frugal.